Okay, today it's really strange day. Yesterday somebody tried to kill me. Let me show you how. All bolts have been removed except the locking nut. I installed the spare wheel, but yeah, it was really dangerous experience. The only bolt left was stuck on here. I got 3 spare which I installed. The actual wheel was just hanging on the side. I hear a really terrible bang, and that's happened. So whoever tried to steal it, I really hope I'll never catch you. Serious. So now the car doesn't realize that the roof is closed. So we have to remove the visors and check the sensor which control that, which is over here. To remove the visors, it's T20. Removing the sensor, there are 2 bolts, 10 mils. So let me show you, that's the sensor. Obviously when the roof closes, you just pressing that bit here, just pressing that bit here, and it's clicking the button and realize it's closed. So if the button is closed, I mean if the button is pressed, that means the roof is closed. Doesn't realize that on the moment, so let's see what's going on here. Okay, something really important here. I wasn't filming, I don't know why. Remove the motor, and in order to release the whole bar to pop out, you need actually to release the spring here, which you can do by removing the pressure valve, pressing the spring, and that will lift it up. The other way, it's to remove it. There's a small pin on the other side which you need to lift out, which will release the whole arm to go out. But the arm, it's locked by here. So there's a small pin inside which you can press, and that will release it, and you can pop the whole arm out. Yeah, hopefully you realize what I'm saying, because I'm a bit confused. But yeah, anyway, it's ready. We'll install the bolts here and on the other side as well, and we're ready to try that out again. Okay, I adjust the rear bar. Was completely disconnected because we replaced the control modules here and those 2 as well. So the only thing left now is to put all the covers around and test all that once again. There's a lot of things to assemble, so let's carry on. So yeah guys, everything's ready now. The car is working like shit. There's a few things which we still need to adjust, but yeah, altogether was burn out and we saved it, so it's good, fairly good. See ya.